The reign of Sultan Muhammad Jalabi began in 1379. When his father, Sultan Bayezid, passed away, a civil war broke out, which was subsequently ended after Sultan Muhammad defeated all his brothers. He managed to rebuild the infrastructure and bring the Ottoman dynasty back to its power. The Sultan was a strong individual and practiced wrestling. He greatly appreciated poetry and literature. He was a wise individual and a lenient leader. He signed a peace agreement with the King of Constantinople and Venice. He was also able to control revolutions against the dynasty and reclaim lands during the war against Timur Lane. Among the challenges faced by the Sultan was a corrupt scholar, Badr-ul-Din bin Israel. He began to preach ideas of innovations and misguidance. Many people joined him out of ignorance, and his followers began to increase. His disciple, Bir Khalija Mustafa, spread this movement and became a threat. He was confronted by the Ottoman army under the leadership of Bayezid Pasha and defeated. Sultan Muhammad himself led the army against Badr-ul-Din and defeated him. He was captured, put on a trial, and eventually executed for his treason against the state. Sultan Muhammad was loved by his people as he managed to maintain friendly international relations. When the Ottoman Empire nearly fell to pieces, he managed to restore its glory and rebuild the dynasty. Before he passed away, he appointed his son, Sultan Murad II, as the next sultan. In the coming video, we will learn about Sultan Murad II.